All right, welcome to the R1 readiness video on solving for y. The process of this is I'm solving for y, which means I'm going to get the equation in y equals format. That means everything on the front side has to get sent over to the other side, leaving just y equals. So what you would do is you would start this problem by minusing 3x, minusing 3x. Those would cancel on the front side, and I've got 4y equals negative 3x plus 8. Now you'll notice I switched those because it's typical to write your y equals format in what we're used to, which is y equals mx plus b kind of formatting. My next step is the key step that oftentimes people make a mistake on, is they divide everything by 4. So you divide this by 4, divide this by 4, and divide this by 4. That is the best way to do it. Please don't be the person who goes like this, negative 3x plus 8, and tries to divide the whole side by 4. That doesn't work because you're dividing each part by 4. So get away from that and use it this way. I feel like that's going to be a better method for you. So then your final answer would be y equals negative 3/4, and that should be in parentheses, x, and then plus 2. That's it you would get for your y equals format for that first question. Second one, same kind of thing. You're going to move everything that's not a y. So add 8x to both sides, add 8x, and negative 2y. Oh, look at that. The sign or the symbol that's in front of the number goes with that number. So make sure you bring down that negative, don't lose it. And then equals 8x plus 6. And then just divide both sides by negative 2, divide by negative 2, divide by negative 2, divide by negative 2. Every piece has to get divided by negative 2. Then those would cancel, and y equals negative 4x minus 3. And that's what your answer looks like. So the key to this strategy is to move everything over to the other side and divide by the number that's in front of the y, and make sure that you do it to every part.